Hello guys, welcome back to Chubby Chemistry Studies. Like you guys know what we do on this channel. I always update you guys on what you need to do to pass your JAMB, what you need to do as it pertains to JAMB. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about something very important, and that is JAMB reprinting. How to do your JAMB reprinting, how to go for your exam, and also when will JAMB release the 2025 JAMB result. That's what we'll be discussing in today's video. Let's get straight to it, guys. The first thing is JAMB mock. I'm making this video on the 9th of April 2025. So, and as you guys know, JAMB mock is scheduled to start tomorrow. So JAMB mock is an a-day exam. It's a one-day exam. Everybody that applied for JAMB mock will write it tomorrow, being 10th of April. So if actually you apply to take JAMB mock this year, just know that you will be writing your exam tomorrow, being 10th of April. So the next thing is, when will JAMB reprinting start? That is the question everybody has been asking, and I'm sure that is why one of the reasons you are watching this video, and also you want to know how to do your JAMB reprinting. So I'll be explaining that right now. So JAMB reprinting will be starting next week Friday, being 18th of April. 18th of April, that's when JAMB reprinting will start. And how do you do your JAMB reprinting? You don't need the help of anybody to do your JAMB reprinting. It's something you can do by yourself on your phone. So I'll drop a link at the end of the video. So watch this video till the end. I'll drop a link at the end of the video. The link is JAMB portal link, where you will just input your registration number and be able to reprint your exam slip. When you click on that link, you will see a space to pick your JAMB to input your JAMB registration number. So when you input your JAMB registration number, they will now send you an email to the email you gave to them when you were doing your JAMB registration. They will send you a PDF of all those things that I'm going to list out right now. They will send you a PDF of a slip that contains your JAMB registration number, your full name and passport, your exam date, exam time, and exam venue, and also your subject combination with exam instructions. That's what will be under your JAMB reprint. So that slip that they will send to your email. After seeing it, you'll be able to see it and you'll be able to look through it. Then after looking through it, you can now go to a cyber cafe to print it out, because that will be like your docket to be able to enter the exam hall for your JAMB exam on that day that you'll be taking your JAMB exam. So you need to print it out. So after checking your email and seeing the exam slip, you need to go to a cyber cafe, or if you have a printer at home, you can now print it out and then go and then keep it till the day of your JAMB exam. Okay guys, before we continue, please do me a favor by clicking on that like button. It's very important. Click on that like button and also hit on that red subscribe button so that you continue seeing my videos. So the next thing is, when will JAMB results be out? So JAMB results will be out 2 days after everybody must have written their JAMB exam. So JAMB examination is a 1-week exam. The examination will start on 25th of April. That's when JAMB exam will start. So, and that exam will run from that 25th of April down to 5th of May. So that's when everybody must have written. So everybody must have written their JAMB exam by 5th of May. So after that 5th of May, JAMB will wait for 2 days. That is, they wait for 6th of May, and then on 7th of May they will release the results for everybody. But sometimes there might be an issue, and the JAMB release of the result might take up to a week. So just know that normally JAMB exam result is meant to be out by after 2 days after everybody must have done taking their JAMB exam. So you should be expecting your JAMB results on 7th of May till 11th of May. So that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Till your boy Chubby.